Guys, this is the Hard Rock Cafe. So, ang laki ng Hard Rock Cafe. So, pasok tayo dito guys. Dito. Hello guys. So, nandito tayo sa Hard Rock Cafe. Dito sa Lisbon, Portugal. So, ito yung loob guys ng Hard Rock Cafe. Yan. Yung ceiling nila. Paikot. So, ang ganda ng loob guys ng Hard Rock Cafe. Yan, dito tayo. Yeah, it's very nice. And it's really quite high ceiling. Look this. Very cool. So, ito yung So, dito tayo. Yan yung counter nila. Yeah. Mayroon pa silang upstairs. I think they have upstairs that look. Yeah, may second floor sila guys. Grabe, ang ganda. So, yan. So, that's Daddy Cola drinks. Yeah. And this is mine. Yeah, this is mine. This is chili pineapple. Cheers! Cheers, Daddy Cole. Cheers, guys. We are here in the Hard Rock Cafe here in Lisbon, Portugal. Yeah. So that's my drinks. Yeah. Guys, so this is my baby rock ribs. Rock ribs here in Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah. So, you know. Hard Rock Cafe. Ito naman grabe guys, ito ang loob ng Hard Rock Cafe. Yun ang ceiling nila guys. May second floor. There's a second floor that so it's very high ceiling guys. Saka yun yung counter nila.